My lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back, and guess what? I'm gonna be doing a stamping plate review. So that means I will stamp my nails and I will show you the rest of the image on some pop sticks. I know you guys miss my stamping. I also do, but you guys, I've been feeling not well. I've been mentioning it in some videos, but since I'm better, I think I can I can do this. So here I have a plate that I had for a long time. This is from Aliexpress, and I will try to leave the link for you guys. Hopefully it's still there, because like I said, I have this plate for the longest time. So I already got my nails prepared with some white polish, just some Wet n Wild. So let's just go ahead and peel the blue film. And if you're new in stamping, this is called a stamping plate. Now this is a really nice plate because even though it's from Aliexpress, it has a plastic backing on the back. And let me just show you the plate. So this one is MF001. Now I gotta say the images are pretty big, but it's a lovely plate. Alright you guys, so again, if you're new, make sure you get a cotton ball with acetone and make sure you clean your plate. So I'm gonna grab this with my cotton claw from, well, they used to sell it at Sally Hansen. I think you might find it on eBay now. I think they stopped selling them, so you might find them on eBay. But anyways, clean this. Make sure there's no sticky residue on your plate. That way you don't run into any kind of problems because of that. So let me just, edging feels pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the image stamped on some popsicles, and then I will decide what I want to create on my nails. I don't know yet. Alright you guys, so let's get started. Alright you guys, so this is how my nails look. I know they're not perfect, but they don't look bad at all. I applied some hollow glitter on top of that, of her dress, just to, I don't know, just make her look more pretty. But yeah you guys, this plate is mainly like fairies, I guess, and it's really cute. So the only thing left to do so they can look perfect, top coat. That's all you're gonna do, top coat. But make sure everything is dry. You don't want to smear everything all over. Also, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna barely touch where I actually paint it, because like I said, I don't want to have color everywhere. And I'm not gonna go over the same place over and over, just because I already know I will run into some problems. So go all the way down and barely touching it. Same thing over here. Now, if you do this technique and you smear your image, just keep practicing. It will get better. That used to happen to me when I first started, but you know, the more you practice, the better you will get. And I love using these color paints or any other brand, doesn't matter, because I like how it doesn't have to be perfect and it's already looking so nice. So you guys, let me finish doing this. I might go in with the matte top coat, I don't know yet, but I'm gonna clean around, wash my hands, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final. So this is how my mani looks. I think it looks super cute. What do you guys think? Look at her, she looks cute. And even though they're not color perfect, they still look perfect. Alright guys, so I definitely recommend this plate. Again, this is from Aliexpress. I'm gonna try to find the link. And I applied some matte top coat, and it looks super nice. I really like how they look when you actually color them. You see the difference? So definitely love this plate. I'm gonna try to record more videos of me creating manis with some stamping plates. I know you guys missed those videos, so I will try, I promise. You know, I was missing stamping my nails. I just didn't have, I don't know, I wasn't feeling so good at all, so that was a reason. But I promise to post more, and I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye you guys. Bye you guys.